While the world is busy arguing Tesla versus Tesla, China has been quietly building vehicles that can make Tesla seriously nervous. These machines are so futuristic that they feel like they have arrived from the next decade. But before we start our countdown, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting automotive innovation deep dives. Xiaomi SU7 Max. At first, a company like Xiaomi entering the car industry felt like a joke to many people because they are experts in mobile phones. But the automotive industry is completely different and more complex than that. But their first product, the Xiaomi SU7 Max, shut everyone up instantly after its release. This was not a side project or a marketing stunt, but a serious, calculated attack on Tesla's territory that hits harder than anyone even expected. The SU7 Max sits low and wide with a long wheelbase that gives it a sports sedan stance. The exterior design alone is enough to tell you that Xiaomi was not playing safe with this one. The front end only has slim LED headlights and smooth aerodynamic lines to reduce drag. The rest of the front end is clean and aggressive. The smooth flowing roofline and frameless doors on the side give this car a coupe-like profile, while flush door handles and noisy sculpted panels tell you about the modern engine. Its futuristic and premium look stands out at night because it has a full-width LED light bar at the back end. The exterior is quite beautiful and impressive. But Xiaomi's tech DNA goes full throttle on the inside, where the cabin feels less like any traditional car and more like a luxury gadget. It has a massive central touchscreen, which runs Xiaomi's own operating system that can effortlessly connect to your phone, smartwatch, laptop, and even your smart home. The enlightening, fast responsiveness of this screen allows you to adjust climate control, navigation, music, and vehicle settings. The digital driver display is sharp and also customizable, while the minimal dashboard design keeps everything clean and futuristic. The design alone is not enough to make your position strong in the automotive industry if the performance is not good enough. But the SU7 Max is no joke. Its dual motors deliver over 670 horsepower, which launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. That puts it squarely in supercar territory. The 800-volt architecture allows ultra-fast charging, while the battery is large enough to deliver a real-world range that easily competes with Tesla's flagship sedans. The interesting part about this car is that when you compare its price, suddenly, Tesla does not look like the value king anymore. Hongqi EHS9. The next SUV on our list simply exists to dominate the presence, and it does not even try to blend in by looking sporty or playful. When the Hongqi EHS9 enters a place, it does not demand attention, it easily takes it. The exterior design of this vehicle is massive and unapologetically aggressive. The illuminated grille on the front alone is enough to give you a feel that this is something pulled straight from a concept car, because the way it glows boldly while moving through the traffic is just amazing. Furthermore, it has a sharp bodyline and chrome accents to reinforce that it's a luxury-first vehicle, along with its tall LED headlights frame on the front. This SUV is intentionally designed to look important, instead of being a subtle vehicle. The luxury of this car continues when you step inside. It has 3 massive screens that stretch across the dashboard to create a digital wall of information and entertainment. Every surface of the interior is covered with real wood trim, metal accents, and premium leather, along with ambient lighting that flows throughout the cabin to complement its design. These lights could also be adjusted based on drive mode and time of day. The second row of this vehicle feels less like an SUV and more like a private jet cabin, especially in the premium 6-seater version, where passengers can get individual captain chairs with massage, heating, cooling, and full recline features for maximum comfort. This vehicle is fully electric and has dual motors hidden underneath all that luxury to provide it with smooth and confident acceleration. It is definitely not built for drag races, but it has the potential to move effortlessly despite its grand size. The range provided on this vehicle is more than enough for long-distance cruising, while the ride quality is tuned to prioritize comfort over everything else. This SUV is not chasing Tesla, but it is actually chasing Rolls-Royce. Avatar 07. If you wish to see a preview of what will happen when China's big tech fully takes over the auto industry, then the Avatar 07 is the perfect example for you. This vehicle is equipped with Huawei software, CATL batteries, and Chang'an engineering. which makes this SUV feel intelligent in a way that most cars can't even imagine. The design of this car is kept sleek and sharp to seamlessly blend sporty aggression with futuristic minimalism. While the body of Avatar 07 flows smoothly from front to back, the slim LED headlights sit low and wide to uplift its outlook. The side mirrors installed in this car have cameras for a 360 view, and they also reduce drag, while adding sci-fi aesthetics to the looks of this car. Its coupe-style roofline gives it a dynamic profile that feels more performance-focused than most SUVs in this range. Inside the Avatar 07, it feels like it is a small device that can also roll on wheels. The infotainment of this car is powered by Huawei's Harmony operating system, which offers fast responses, intuitive menus, and advanced voice control that actually works accurately. The screens are crisp, the interface is smooth, and over-the-air updates will improve the car over time. The seats are luxurious yet sporty as well, and they also offer heating, cooling, and massage functions for a comfortable ride quality, while the ambient lighting wraps the cabin in a premium glow to enhance your experience. The performance of this car, with dual motors that deliver strong acceleration to push the Avatar 07 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, strongly matches the tech in it. The ride of this vehicle is balanced between comfort and control. While the range comfortably covers daily use and long trips, this car can give you a sense of what a Tesla Model Y would look like after evolving several generations ahead. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe for amazing hypercar breakdown videos. BYD Yangwang U8. The next vehicle on the list is something that sounds impossible on paper, but it actually exists in real life. The Yangwang U8 is where logic starts to break down because, visually, the U8 looks like a luxury off-road monster with its boxy proportions, massive wheels, and aggressive LED lights that give it a military-grade presence. This is an SUV that looks like it is designed to survive the apocalypse, as compared to just climbing mountains. Inside this vehicle, you will find a surprisingly refined interior, with large screens dominating the dashboard. The interior feels more like a high-end luxury SUV than an off-road beast because of the premium materials used to line the cabin. But the real magic of this vehicle is hidden underneath all this stunning luxury. It has 4 independent electric motors to power each wheel separately while producing 1,100 horsepower, which allows the U8 to crab walk, sideways, spin in place, and maintain control, even if one tire loses traction completely. And yes, this car can also float in water during flood emergencies. This feature alone puts it in a category of its own, because no other vehicle can do this. Lotus Eletre. The Lotus Eletre is an SUV that represents a major shift in the automotive industry because it is a legendary British brand that is now powered by Chinese manufacturing and technology to produce one of the most aggressive electric SUVs ever made. The design of this vehicle is sharp, angular, and aerodynamic, which looks impressive, while the active air vents, sculpted bodywork, and massive wheels give it a true performance SUV look as well. Inside this car, the cabin smoothly blends racing-inspired minimalism with luxury materials to offer a focused and premium environment. The Eletre can launch like a supercar with nearly 900 horsepower and can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The advanced suspension system installed in this car helps it stay planted even at high speeds. This is not just an SUV, but it is actually a statement to the world that performance EVs are no longer limited to sedans. IM Motors L7. Engineers who were obsessed with the future designed the IM Motors L7. From the outside, it's sleek and elegant, but inside, it's a rolling AI lab. It has a massive panoramic-style screen that stretches across the entire dashboard, which is also supported by advanced voice recognition and gesture controls. The car has AI integration, which allows it to learn your habits, adjust seat positions, climate settings, and driving moods automatically. Over time, it feels personal in a way that most cars can't achieve. The performance of this car is powerful and smooth, with strong acceleration and a long-distance range. The ride quality excellently balances comfort and sport, which makes it ideal for both daily driving and long trips. This is something that Tesla promised years ago, but it was delivered by someone else. Zeekr 007. The Zeekr 007 does not feel like a machine at all, but it actually feels alive because it has animated lighting features and its AI-driven interfaces allow it to constantly interact with you. The exterior design of this car is kept completely clean and modern, while the interior features an impressive OLED display with premium materials used everywhere. Performance versions of this vehicle deliver brutal acceleration, while the long-range variants are intended for pushing battery efficiency to stunning levels. This is a Satan designed specifically to blend emotions with technology, which makes Tesla's interior feel cold and lifeless. Hi-Fi Z. The next vehicle on our list looks unrealistic, with its suicide doors, programmable LED panels, and short geometric shapes. The Hyphy Z looks like a concept car that accidentally landed. Inside this car, the rotating screens, immersive lighting, and premium seating create an experience of a futuristic lounge unlike anything else on the road. The performance of this car is also strong, while the ride is butter smooth and the attention it gets while moving is totally unmatched. Tesla cannot compete with this, while Tesla blends in. Neo ET9. The Neo ET9 defines luxury engineering at its finest, while it is specifically built for people who don't want to drive themselves. The exterior of this vehicle is quite elegant and understated, but the interior is where it shines boldly. The rear seats of this car can recline deeply, while they also include massage functions, heating, cooling, and can create a true first-class experience, just like any aeroplane. The battery swapping feature of this car allows full refueling within a few minutes, which eliminates range anxiety. This is what happens when comfort comes first. BYD Yangwang U9. The Yangwang U9 is not only fast, but also absurd. Over 1,300 horsepower launches this electric hypercar to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. But speed is the only part of this story. Advanced suspension allows the car to jump, dance, and balance on 3 wheels, while its design is aggressive, low, and unmistakably futuristic. This is a hypercar that doesn't just outperform rivals, it humiliates them. These cars show what the future of performance, luxury, and innovation will look like. They also prove that the future is not waiting around the corner, but it is actually already here. If you enjoyed watching this deep dive, then make sure to hit that subscribe button for more automotive industry breakdown videos.